So I just stumbled upon the MDN Web Docs project, and it's fascinating how it brings together tech enthusiasts from around the world.
Right? It's like a treasure trove for web developers. The collaborative nature really stands out, doesn't it?
Absolutely, I mean 45,000 contributors since 2005. That's a massive community effort. It makes you think about the internet's evolution.
Totally. And the idea that they're empowering a new generation of developers is so inspiring. It's like building a better internet together.
Wait, seriously, they have translations in multiple languages too? That's super inclusive.
Yeah, over 35 volunteers for languages like Chinese, French, and Spanish. It really reflects the global need for web development resources.
But doesn't that assume everyone is comfortable with those languages? Some might still feel left out if they're not fluent.
That's a fair point. While they're making strides, there's always room for improvement. Language barriers can be significant.
Exactly, and what about those who are just starting? The learning resources must be invaluable.
For sure, they cater specifically to beginners, which is so crucial. It's like giving them a roadmap into a complex world.
Speaking of roadmaps, setting up the site locally requires Node.js, right? That can be a hurdle for some.
True, and then there's NPM too. If you're not tech savvy, it can feel overwhelming to get started.
But isn't that part of the learning curve? Jumping into tech can be intimidating, but it's also empowering.
Definitely, overcoming those initial hurdles can build confidence. It's all about the journey, I suppose.
And the idea of contributing to MDN is exciting. Anyone can join in, which fosters this community spirit.
Right? It turns documentation into a collaborative art form. But what about quality control? How do they maintain standards?
Good question. I imagine they have guidelines and a code of conduct to ensure respectful contributions.
Exactly, and they stress the importance of constructive feedback. It's vital for a healthy community.
You know, this whole model makes me wonder about the future of online learning. Are we seeing a shift here?
Absolutely. This open source approach could lead to more democratized education in tech. It's really revolutionary.
But what about the potential downsides? Is there a risk of misinformation when anyone can contribute?
That's a legitimate concern. The community has to be vigilant. Misinformation can spread like wildfire.
Right, so it's a balance between openness and accuracy. How do we navigate that?
Well, fostering critical thinking among contributors could help. They need to question each other's work constructively.
I love that idea. It's like creating a culture of learning where everyone grows together.
Exactly, and that's what makes MDN so appealing. It's not just about getting information, it's about sharing knowledge.
And how about the tech itself? The tools they use like Node.js and NPM are crucial to this whole setup.
True, those tools are essential in modern web development. It's like learning to ride a bike before hitting the road.
And that's a great analogy. You need the basics before you can really explore the vast internet landscape.
But it's also important to remember that technology evolves quickly. What's relevant today might change tomorrow.
That's so true. Staying adaptable is key. How do you think MDN keeps up with tech changes?
I'd guess it's all about community feedback and continuous updates. They have to be nimble to stay relevant.
And I admire that. It emphasizes that education is an ongoing process, not just a one-time event.
Exactly. Learning is a lifelong journey, especially in tech. It's always evolving.
So if we put all this together, MDN is not just a resource, it's a movement towards a more inclusive web.
Absolutely. It's all about empowering others to contribute and learn. Now that's something to get excited about.
I'm left wondering, though, how can we support such initiatives in our own communities?
That's a great thought. Maybe we can start by sharing knowledge and encouraging others to participate.
Definitely, we might just inspire the next wave of developers. Now that idea has me buzzing.
Same here. It's a reminder that the internet can be a powerful tool for positive change. What a journey.
I love that perspective. Let's keep exploring how we can contribute to this growing movement.